Hey guys, we're here today. We got a 2019 Chevy Silverado. We're going to do a leveling kit on the front, 2-inch leveling kit, and it's going to have some new wheels and tires. Put some black rims on this. This is Michael's. You might remember him from the Mustang video. So we're going to be doing a before and after. We're going to do a little quick how-to on how to put the leveling kit on.
Yep.
So
Good to me. Let's get started.
that was it. Yep, let's get it going. All right, here we go. We're getting in here. We're basically going to be replacing this shock and spring. So it's going to have a brand new one. It's going to be about 2 inches taller. Here it is on the ground. It's a big old dude. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this upper ball joint, disconnect these ABS lines, get them out of here. Also this brake line right here. We got to disconnect the bolts up here that hold the top of the unit in and these bottom ones. And disconnect this tie rod in. That'll let this whole thing drop out of the way once we do this. And then that should get us where we can pull that out and pop this one in. All right, guys, here's the after that we just did the 2-inch rough country leveling kit with the whole front suspension. Like I said, new shocks, new springs. Now this is before wheels and tires. So the next move on this is going to be wheels and tires. Got black rims coming. It's going to look really good, make a big difference. So I don't know if you can tell. I'll go ahead and throw in a clip of the before shot so we can try to do a direct comparison. But it's going to look a lot better. I will come back at the end of this video with wheels and tires. Guys, here you go. Here's the after picture. So we did a 2-inch leveling kit on the front. And then Michael went ahead and put these tires on there. Pretty sweet, like black rims. I like it. They are Terra Hunters. And let's see, they are 265, 6518. So looks pretty good. Sits nice. He said it makes a little noise on the road, but he likes how it looks. So there you go. Like I said, I'll throw some pictures in there, show you what it looks like, but it sits really nice. So if you're looking to do a level kit, which definitely makes a big difference on these Silverados. This is a 2019 with the supercharged 6.2. Nope, 5.3. Non-supercharged. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Dave with Absolute Car Guys. Talk to you later. Enjoy the ride.